Another day, another English lesson. Method and purpose, by and for plus gerund. Hello. Welcome to this lesson about two small but powerful words, by and for. Sometimes these words are confusing, especially when they are followed by a verb ending in ing. A verb ending in ing used as a noun is called a gerund. But don't worry, we'll make it simple. Part 1. By plus gerund to express method. We use by plus gerund to explain how we do something. It shows the method we use. It answers the question, how do you do that? Examples. A. How do you get better at English? B. You improve by practicing every day. The method is practicing. A. How did she save money? B. She saved money by cooking at home. The method is cooking. Part 2. For plus gerund to express purpose. We use for plus gerund to explain the purpose or reason for something. It answers the question, what is it for? Or, why do we use it? Examples. A. What is a blender used for? B. A blender is used for making smoothies. The purpose is making smoothies. A. Why is this app useful? B. This app is useful for learning new vocabulary. The purpose is learning vocabulary. Now, watch and complete the sentences with by or for. He stays healthy by riding his bike to work. A thermos is great for keeping drinks hot. I fell asleep faster by listening to soft music. These markers are used for writing on whiteboards. They improved their teamwork by talking and planning together. This backpack is perfect for carrying a laptop. You can save time by ordering groceries online. Eight. The library is a quiet place for studying. She bought a small plant for decorating her desk. We stayed warm during the trip by wearing warm clothes. Thanks for watching this worldwide ELT language learning video.